Looking for furnace installation and replacement in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide fast, certified heating solutions to keep your home warm and energy efficient all winter long. Our licensed furnace installers specialize in high-efficiency furnace replacements and seamless new installations, ensuring reliable service with no hidden fees. As Edmonton's trusted heating experts, we understand Alberta's unpredictable winters and offer energy-saving furnace options designed to reduce heating costs while maximizing comfort. For expert furnace installation and replacement, choose Kingstree Plumbing, your local heating specialist in Edmonton. Call us now or book online today.